What's the meaning of Betsy Ross? Betsy Ross. Betsy Ross.
Betsy Ross. Betsy Ross. Betsy Ross was an American seamstress credited with creating the first American flag. According to legend, she was commissioned by George Washington in 1776 to sew a flag for the newly formed United States. The story goes that Ross proposed some changes to the original design, including using 5-pointed stars instead of 6-pointed ones, and Washington approved the changes. While there is some debate as to the accuracy of this story, Betsy Ross has become an enduring symbol of American patriotism and ingenuity. Today, her name is often used to refer to the American flag itself or to anything related to American history and culture.